Control, 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 control. Today we're going to be talking about control or coding. Codes are basically a set of instructions for something to do. We're going to be using the platform called Scratch to do this. So today we're just going to focus on setting up a Scratch account. Follow along. First, you're going to need to open a browser and go to scratch.mit.edu. Go ahead and look in the upper right corner and there's a join button. Click on that join and choose a username that you won't regret next week. And then you're going to go through the next few steps to add in some information about you. Make sure you click on the email link that says verify. Once you have your Scratch profile set up, you can copy the URL or the link to your profile and share it with others. You can also search for me, Mysterio_makes_it. Mysterio makes it on Scratch. Go ahead and follow me and see what projects I've been up to.